Well, fudge is meant to melt in your mouth, and today's recipe is so light and creamy it does just that. Howard shows us how to make melt-away peanut butter fudge in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Over the years here in the Test Kitchen, we've shared lots of homemade holiday gift ideas. Everything from freshly baked quick breads to holiday cookies. And it's always nice to hear from you how much these edible treats are appreciated. So in order to keep this tradition going, today we're sharing a few of our favorite homemade fudge recipes. Imagine presenting your boss or neighbor with a box of the super rich chocolate walnut fudge. And if you love the cozy feeling that goes hand in hand with gingerbread, then you might want to consider making a batch of our holiday gingerbread fudge. And while both of these are amazing, one that stands out the most is our peanut butter fudge. It's simply mix, heat, stir, chill, cut, and enjoy. And when you present these in a holiday tin or on a plate all fancied up, get ready for lots of oohs and ahs. So right after the news, why don't you go to our website and get the recipe for melt-away peanut butter fudge along with the chocolate walnut fudge and our holiday gingerbread fudge. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a creamy, fudgy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website, KOAMnewsnow.com.